Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to 괜ᴜprefect channel analytics. 괜ᴜprefect have uploaded 257 videos. They now have 55.5 million subscribers with a total view of 12,593,821,074. They are from US. And their channel type is sports. They created their channel since March 17, 2009. The grade they got is A. And their social blade ranking is at 500th. The subscriber ranking is 19th and then video view rank is 123rd. They ranked it 8th in US and 3rd in sports. Next, daily subs for 괜ᴜprefect channel is around 13.3k with a daily view of 5,936,411. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 5,900,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for 괜ᴜprefect will be $23,600. Monthly income will be $708,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. As a result, monthly income will be $389,400 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $4,672,800. That is how much 괜ᴜprefect earn from YouTube.